Okay, so for students who are revising vector today, learning on vector, I'm taking reference from your textbook 4B. So if you have it, you can turn to page 4. If not, I want you to refer to the screen. Okay, and as we go through, it is good that you actually try to attempt this question on a piece of foolscap paper. Okay, now given the question, okay, that you see, practice now 1A on the screen, can I get you to attempt, okay, to actually state the column vector, okay, of all the vectors that you see on the screen right now. Okay, can you state for me the column vector for all the 4 vectors that you see on the screen right now? Pause this video and try. Okay, so now I will go through. I'm going to start with the one on the leftmost here. Okay, so how are you going to label that vector, okay, as you write your working? Now, I noticed that in this question, they actually gave the start and end point. Okay, so therefore, I will label it as A, B, with an arrow above, and that's how you're supposed to label it. Okay, now for vector AB, the column vector from the start point A to reach to B, I need to move to the left. As I move to the left, the values of X decreases. Therefore, okay, it is decreasing. It has to be negative. I go down by 3 units, negative 3. And this is along my x-axis. So therefore, I'll write negative 3, followed by, I'm going up. Okay, the value of y increases by 4. So I will state this way. Okay, column vector of AB to be negative 3, 4. The next one, I'll take a look at DE. DE, okay, the column vector, I notice the x value, okay, increases from 5 all the way to 10. So therefore, it is 5. But there is no increase in height. Doesn't go up. So the y value is 0. The third vector over here, okay, question did not give the start and end point. However, they label it as column vector C. So I will state C. Now, I can't just put a variable like that. It looks like any constant, right? Put a squiggly line below to tell the marker this is a vector. So from the start point to reach the end point, I have to go down by 2 units. And I have to go to the right by 2 units. So negative 2. Okay, finally for F, okay, column vector F, it goes down by 3 units, so negative 3. Okay, but the negative 3 is not the x value. Okay, x value moving left and right, it does not do so. So I put 0, move down, negative 3, and we are done. Okay, for column vector. When I state find the magnitude, what does that mean? What we want to find for magnitude, remember yesterday we spoke about vector having distance and direction. Magnitude refers to the distance. Okay, the distance. So let's take a look at just one example, AB just now. We have already gotten the column vector to be negative 3 as well as 4. Okay, so if I were to label in the figure over here, I know it's negative 3. Okay, this one, and then it goes up by 4. Are you able to see that this is a right angle triangle? So for me to find the magnitude, meaning I want to find this length, all I simply do is to use Pythagoras theorem to find the length. How do we label, okay, magnitude? I will write AB with the arrow above and a modular sign. The modular sign tells me that I am finding the distance. Okay, So I will just do my Pythagoras theorem. Negative 3 bracket square plus 4 bracket square square root. To get the answer, leave it in units. Can?